Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be replacing the spout O-ring kit on an old Moen Legend Model 7300 faucet here in our utility sink. First thing is to make sure you shut off the water supply to the sink. So we're going to begin the process of taking off the lift here that actuates the cartridge and get our way down into the two O-ring assemblies down here. The reason we're replacing these is because this faucet has gotten harder to turn to the side to side. So the first thing we're going to do is get a flat blade screwdriver underneath this cap and pry off the Moen logoed cap. That exposes a flathead screw. We'll remove that screw. Now with the screw removed, we can lift off the handle. That exposes this nut here that we're going to have to unscrew. Just get that started with a wrench or pair of pliers, and then it should come off by hand. Now we've exposed the cartridge, which I've replaced in another video. I'll put a link to that in the description. So we're going to leave the copper clip in here for the cartridge itself, and we're going to remove this outer piece. Just gently back and forth, just dry that off. And here you can see the two O-rings that we're going to be replacing. And we'll just take that flat blade small screwdriver and pry off the old O-ring. Just work your way around and lift those off like that. Same thing on the larger bottom one. Now the O-ring kit comes with the two O-rings and a little tube of silicone lubricant. We're going to put some of that silicone lubricant on each of the O-rings and then slide them back to these places here and here. So just going to slide some of that silicone around the O-ring. This is the larger one for the bottom. And once that O-ring is lubricated, we'll slide that back on and then put it in place like that. Same thing for the upper O-ring. We'll slide on the silicone, make sure it's on all sides like that, and then slide that on just like that. This lubricant will help to keep the water off of the O-rings and allow for easier movement of the faucet itself. Now we'll just reverse the process. We'll put the faucet itself back on. Just work it back and forth until it slides all the way down. Test to make sure that it moves smoothly and easily. Then we'll reattach this nut on the top collar. Tighten that by hand, and then I'll give it a little extra tighten here with the vice grip. You don't want to go too tight. A note, when you're putting the handle back on, in the back there is a flat piece that's a plate, and when the handle is up, that plate is down. That plate sits underneath this ring here. So you want to make sure that when you put this on, that it catches on that ring, and that's what lifts the cartridge up and down. So once you have that catching the cartridge, we can put this screw back in. It screws into the top of the cartridge and holds that assembly in place. So now you should be able to lift it and push down, and that is catching and handling the lifting and the dropping of the cartridge to turn the water on and off. Make sure this still moves, everything is in place. Now we'll reattach the Moen cap and turn the water back on. Okay, with the water back on, test this out. Get a little bit of dark to flush that out. Make sure the water shuts off and there's no leaks around the base. Then move the faucet left to right. And once you're sure there's no leaks, that should be it. You're all done. So that's how you replace the O-rings on a Legend faucet. Thanks very much for watching.